It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2024 Bronco Everglades in azure gray with onyx vinyl interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a swing gate. This has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has navigation as well as the hard roof with the sound deadening. You also have a storage package to be able to put the roof in when you take it off. So do the doors come off. This is a great off-roading vehicle. It's got trail turn assist, which means that you can do tight turns on loose gravel or sand, as well as donuts if you want. And you've got a tailgate table that slides right out, and I show you that in the rest of the video, so stay tuned. We've got lots to share inside and out. And if you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. This has a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage in the door, as well as you've got your locks. Driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar, carpeted mats on the floor, and you have your hood release here, electronic parking brake, and lighting controls. There's a nice little grab handle right in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. You just slide into your seat. You've got that nice bucking bronc on the steering wheel, and off to the side is your lane keeping and cruise control, and then you have your hands-free as well as your menu. And this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. And then on your dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, and we can go in. Whoops, I'm going to go back in here, just pushing too many buttons. My view, trip fuel, off-road, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, we have our front diff, back diff, as well as trail turn assist. And what that is it locks the rear driver's side wheel, and it adds traction to the rear passenger side wheel. This allows you to do donuts, very tight turns, and especially if you're on loose substrate such as gravel or sand, that's when you're going to use it. And then you have your traction control and hazard lights. Down below we got this nice big screen. We can go into the sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And as you mentioned, as we went through the menu, you saw that they had navigation. You can choose your destination and then just plunk it in there, and then away you go. We've got our settings. So in here you again have different options that have sub menus. So your display, you can change the look of that, and you've got your updates, your software updates, and so forth. You also have your trip 1 and 2 there. You have little menus off to the side, which is kind of handy. And then when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So there's our center line, green, yellow, red, just telling us how close we are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. When we go into the features, your owner's manual's in there, and your driver assistance as well. And then down below, volume and tuner, auto stop start for less idle time, and you've got dual climate control for driver and passenger, as well as dual heated seats, your AC and max AC, as well as your front and rear defrost, your fans right in the center there. And then down below we have outlets, USB-C and USB. And you've got a nice little cubby, automatic select shifter, and then you've got goat modes, goes over any terrain. But before I get into that, I just want to show you, you've got your 4x4 and you got your hill descent. So as we go through the goat, we can dial through, and you're going to see the icons change. So there's normal, eco, sport, you see a little line there, slippery, mud ruts, sand, and rock crawl. So depending on the road conditions and the weather, you can change to the different options so that you get more or less traction and control as needed. Couple of cup holders, another grab handle right here. I find these very intuitive, very easy to use. You've got your VIN located there, and you've got your power windows here, and that is because the vehicle's doors come off, and you have a storage package for your roof because it also comes off. It's a hard roof. It's got sound deadening, which means it increases or accentuates the acoustics, but also cuts down on the road noise. And you'll also notice when the doors come off, your side view mirrors are attached to the vehicle, so that means you still have side view mirrors even though the doors are off, which is kind of nice. And then your locks are there, and there's your mirror controls. Your armrest opens up, and inside all sorts of goodies. And you also have your 12-volt in there, lots of room. You've got another grab handle on the passenger side, as well as your glove compartment. And you have an auto-dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls under here. There we go. You can see those. And then you have upfitter switches. So if you wanted to add in things like winches, which you have, lighting controls and other things like that, you can do that. It's all ready to wire. And as I mentioned, your roof comes off, the front of the roof comes off, and you've got the tools in your glove compartment, and you're all set to go. 17-inch wheels and the Everglades logo along with the SAS settings. Black door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. And driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. There's a swing gate in the rear, again with the intelligent access, and in the center of your spare tire is where your backup camera is located. You also have a tow hook. When you're ready to open it up, you just simply put your hand in the latch and it opens up quite wide, so you can put lots of stuff in there. You've got your windshield wiper, and this just pops open, and then you've got the roof panel storage because the hard top roof, the front of it comes off. You've also got this nice all-weather mat, the 12-volt and lighting, and then when you're ready, just close it all up. And you can head out on your latest adventure, or you can lock it up and walk away. And as well, when you're ready to get back in, you have remote start. I thought I'd also mention to you that you have a tailgate tray. So you just put your hand underneath, grip it, and pull it right out. So this is great for parties or tailgating or all sorts of fun stuff. And then when you don't need it, you just slide it right back in. And you're all set to go. Storage and speaker in the door. As well, you have your grab handle in the body. Seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. And when you lift the seat up, whoops, what you're going to do is actually bring the headrest down and bring the back of the seat back. You now have access to the back cargo area. You've got your storage bag for the front portion of the roof that's a hard top, and you also have the all-weather mat there. Anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. Then just give it a push into the upright position and flip up your headrest. There's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, carpeted mats on the floor, and you have a little storage bin there on the back. It's just reminding you this is not a step, the center console. And you'll see that you have the window controls there, and that is because the doors come off. And as well, you have got your USB-C, USB, and a 110 outlet. Up top is your hard top, and that has sound deadening. And so that means it enhances your acoustics when the roof is on, as well as cuts down on the noise from the road. Reverse camera in the rear, hard top with roof rails, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, the Snorkle system. This is an Everglades, really a great off-road vehicle. Auto high beams, you've got your front winch, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. And if you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.